Figure 18-65 shows the procedure for protecting the motor from overload when using a bypass device. Now, let's review the notes first. Note 1 and the illustration, PCE adjustable speed drive equipped with overload protection does not require additional overcurrent protection as outlined in 430.124a. Now, note 2, when bypass circuits are utilized, apply overload protection in accordance with Article 430, Roman numeral X per 430.124b as in boy. Note 3 states for multiple motor applications, apply Article 430, Part Roman numeral X for each motor per 430.124c as in car. Now, so what they're saying, you can run the adjustable speed drive with the overload protection provided, but if you bypass to do some work on the main section of the PCE, then you're bypassing till you get that problem corrected. Then you need to provide some sort of overload protection if it's not already provided to protect the motor windings and the conductor supplying the motor from overload conditions. And that's what this figure 18-65 is illustrating.